Hi, I'm Emily Marie, product expert of EMEA. I'm very excited to show you this new innovative product Nu Skin has worked on. ageLOC Me is a first of its kind anti-aging skincare system that will provide you with a customized regimen based on you, your skin and personal preferences. This package contains one ageLOC Me device as well as 1 month supply of cartridges called the reference set. The reference set is especially selected for the EMEA region and contains 3 serum cartridges plus 1 day and 1 night moisturizer. Use the products for at least 2 weeks. This should be enough time for you to learn about your skin and its specific needs. After 2 weeks of use, take the time to reflect on your experience with this reference set by completing the ageLOC Me Skin Assessment. With an easy-to-use online tool and app, it won't take too much of your time. After completing this assessment, you will receive a personalized code that corresponds to your regimen. You should use this code to purchase your custom cartridge set. Use the set as directed so you can start enjoying its immediate and long-term benefits. If you would like to fine-tune your customized set to better adapt to your current needs, seasonal and climate changes, geographical location or age, do so by completing a Nu Skin Assessment. You can complete a skin assessment as many times as you deem it necessary. In addition, you can also fine-tune your skincare regimen with the use of complementary products such as ageLOC Tru Face Essence Ultra, Nu Skin Galvanic Spa System facial gels with ageLOC or Tru Face Line Corrector. Your daily skincare regimen should look something like this. So you start cleansing with ageLOC Gentle Cleanse and Tone or any other Nu Skin cleanser, you pat dry, then you place your hand into the opening of the device to receive your precise amount of serum. Follow with your desired targeted treatments afterwards. Once again, you place your hand into the device and depending on whether it's morning or evening, you will receive a dollop of your day or night moisturizer. So get ageLOC Me now and start enjoying skincare as individual as you are.